Hello students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine staying home and doing your creative works at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you another formal letter which is known as letter of placing order. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. Letter of placing order. An order letter is the one that is written by the person, company, placing the request of purchase from another company. This letter comes into action only when a detailed study of the desired product has been done in the market and based on promised service, quality and price of the product, a decision for a purchase has been made. So an order letter should be drafted very carefully as it needs to pen down all the terms and conditions of the purchase for the benefit of both involved parties. It should have details such as product specifications, quantities, price, agreed upon, delivery date, late delivery, clauses, etc. It should be addressed to the person responsible for the execution of the order with a copy to the head of department. Now student, remember some do's and don'ts of order letter. An order letter should be addressed to the person responsible for executing the order. It should include all the terms and conditions agreed upon by both involved parties. There is no need to use too many adjectives in the letter since it is purely for an order being placed. The letter should have all relevant details related to the order, for example, quantity, price, other terms and conditions. The purchase order letter should also indicate the date by when the order is expected to executed or delivered and the mode of delivery of the material should also be identified in the letter. This letter should also carry the mode of payment by which the payment will be made. Now, letter for placing an order. The goods ordered through a letter include books, sports and laboratory equipment, electronic gadgets, magazines, journals, garments, household items, and include the following content in the letter. Refer to the advertisement. Give details of goods being ordered. Brand, item, author, color, size, etc. Quantity, price if given. Give the mode of dispatch and payment also. Conclude politely asking for a prompt and safe delivery of goods. Let students learn a sample letter. Write a letter to Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chhavri Bazaar, Delhi, asking them to send their rates and terms of supply of stationery items. And you are R.K. Mittal, Office Superintendent of Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. Firstly, we will start with sender address. Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. Student, leave a line here and after date also. I forgot to leave it, but you have to leave a line here. Then date May 14, 2020. Then again leave a line. Then Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chhavri Bazaar, Delhi. You could also write the director or the manager of the shop. Then dear sir, subject, inviting rates and terms of supply as given in our statement. This is to bring to your notice that on the behalf of Bundelkhand Public School, we would like to place a bulk order for the supply of stationery items for our school office and administrative block for the session 2020-21. We have selected a few leading stationers for the purpose of supply of these items. We have included your prestigious firm in the list, keeping in view the goodwill it enjoys in the stationery market. Kindly quote your discount rates, if any, which will also help get due weight and consideration. We need the following items with their brand and number of items required. You will make the items in the box like or a table like form: serial number, particulars, brand, numbers. Like first one is pencils, brand HB Nataraj, 20 dozens. Pencils again HH Nataraj, 30 dozens. Paper of brand Star, 20 rims. Cyclistic paper Star brand, 20 rims. Then computer paper Star brand, 20 rims. Carbon ribbons Coors company brand, 40 packets. And last one is carbon paper Coors brand, 20 packets. Let us remind you once again that maximum discounts and suitable terms of supply will be expected. Please let us know whether it will be possible for you to supply us the above items before May 30. Kindly let us know the maximum time which you will require to supply us these items. Then complimentary close, yours sincerely, signature of the person R.K. Mittal, name of the person R.K. Mittal, and designation office superintendent. Now student, let's learn one another sample letter. You are Priya Khanna, librarian of your school, Aligarh. You have been asked to place an order for some books for the school library. Write a letter to the sales manager, Lighthouse, Main Road, Noida, placing an order for the books that you need. Firstly, name of the school, Army School, Aligarh. Then date, 14th May 2020. Then the sales manager, Lighthouse, Main Road, Noida. Then subject, placing an order for books. Sir, this is with reference to your quotation dated 5th May 2020. We are pleased to inform you that our management had decided to place an order with your firm. We want to place a bulk order to you for the supply of books to our school library. We shall not settle for less than 20% discount on the purchase of the books. Besides, we hope to get another 5% special discount that is usually granted to the institution buyers. It goes without saying that you will have to bear the mail and other expenses involved in the dispatch and delivery of books. And the list of books with their particulars is attached here with. So, list of books is serial number first of all, book name, author and quantity. First book is Macbeth of William Shakespeare, 2 books. The Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth, 2 books. Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen, 2 books. Wings of Fire, APJ Kalam, 2 books. History of Modern India, Sumit Sarkar, 2 books. The payment will be made by check on the receipt of the goods. Kindly ensure that the order reaches us within a week. Thanking you. Yours faithfully, Priya Khanna signature, then name Priya Khanna, and then designation librarian of Army School. I hope that students you got the format and sample letters of letter of placing order. It is one of the easiest letter in your syllabus. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.